Hey there, I'm Salvador Alfaro, your trusted real estate agent here at Taniel Chemsian Properties in beautiful Puerto Vallarta. Today we're here at this incredible 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath penthouse unit in one of Puerto Vallarta's most sought-after neighborhoods, Zona Romantica. Welcome to Estrella's Penthouse 1. Featuring an extended island with ample storage, sub-zero wine and beverage coolers, and a stunning black and gold marble countertop. This bright and open concept floor plan flows to a large terrace with floor-to-ceiling sliding doors, offering optimum indoor and outdoor living to enjoy the spectacular city, mountain, and ocean views. Just a short 5-minute walk from your doorstep, you'll find yourself in the middle of all that Zona Romantica has to offer. You will find quaint streets lined with wonderful shops, restaurants, and cafes where you can spend the day savoring the vibrant traditional and modern Mexican gastronomy. This spacious 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath penthouse offers a perfect blend of comfort and luxury, making it the ideal choice for those seeking the ultimate living in Puerto Vallarta. With high-end finishes, generous living space, and proximity to the beach and nightlife, it's more than just a home, it's a lifestyle you've been dreaming of. Once upon a time, I was in your shoes, looking at videos for my piece of paradise. Today, I get to help people find theirs. So if you're looking for an agent that you can trust and has been through the process, I'm the agent for you. Contact me today at salvador@tanielchemsian.com.